Welcome back to I&Food. Today I'm going to show you how to make these juicy lamb ribs. I've used a lot of natural seasoning, thyme, pepper, garlic, ginger. Definitely going to enjoy this recipe, so stay tuned to see how I made it. So these are the ingredients I used: all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, green seasoning, 5 lamb ribs and some olive oil. I bought these lamb ribs from Morrisons for about £4. I washed the ribs in some lemon water and I added 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. I added 3 tablespoons of green seasoning. I'll show you in another video how I made my chopped green seasoning, and I added half a tablespoon of black pepper. You can see the beautiful colours from the green seasoning. This is why I prefer the chopped method over the blended method, so you can actually see the colours, you can taste all the different seasonings that you've added into the green seasoning. I added 2 tablespoons to the hot pan. I added the ribs fatty side down. Ribs can be very fatty, so it's best you cook the fatty side first and you let that sear and get really nice and crispy. Thank you to all of our subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please press the subscribe button and make sure you like and comment on this video. Let us know if you actually try the recipe. Also, let us know in the comment section if there's anything that you would love to learn how to cook but just don't know how to make it. We'll definitely be reading your comments and making sure that we make videos to show you how to make your favourite meals. We let each side cook for about 10 to 15 minutes and it was ready to eat. Look at it looking so juicy, and you can see all the natural green seasoning sitting on top, but also you can also taste the green seasoning inside the lamb. It was beautiful and lovely. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and let us know in the comment section below if you try it. And thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next video.